Hello everybody, we are going to make these beautiful mini chairs. Take a square craft paper and start folding it from its corner and then press it and give it a shape like this. After that we are going to open it like this. We are giving it shape like this. Make a square in the center, press it and you will get a shape like this. After that we are going to gently open it like we are doing here. We are going to make the legs of the chair like this, fold it like this. Now we are going to open it gently like this. You will get a heart shape like this. Make multiple folds like this and tuck it inside and do the same from other side as well like we are going to do here. Fold it like this and look, it is almost ready now. Now open it and look, your mini chair is ready. We are going to make this tissue paper box. Look how pretty it is looking. Take a printed craft paper and fold it from its corners like this. Now we are going to open it, flip it and again fold it from its corners and look, your box is ready. Make a cut, make 3 such shapes and tuck all like this and make a box. Now you can put tissue paper inside it and look, it is ready. Look at these heart-shaped storage boxes. Let's make it using craft paper. Take a craft paper, fold it like this, fold it from its top portion like that. Then we are going to repeat it from other side as well. After that we are going to make multiple folds in the center and then we are going to fold it and make heart shape like this from other side as well. After that we are going to gently open it and look, your beautiful box is ready. You can put your items inside. Let's make these colorful boards using craft paper. We are folding a green craft paper here in a triangular shape and fold it like this. After that we are going to gently open it and press it like this. Flip it and again fold it from its corners and do the same from other side as well. And look, we are going to tuck both the ends together like this. And you look, your board is almost ready now. Do this from other side as well. And we are going to open the center part and look, your board is ready. Look at this cute mask. Let's make it. Take a craft paper and fold it. After that we are going to fold it from its bottom side as well and again fold it like this from its corners. Now we are going to put it inside like this and then make multiple folds and make a mask like this. We are going to put a strip on the side and tuck it inside like this and look, your paper mask is ready. Let's make these paper soap at home. Let's make them. Take this tissue paper and make small pieces of it. Now make a solution of soap and spread it evenly on the paper. Make multiple pieces of it. Now we are going to paste it like this and look, it is ready. After that we are going to fold a paper like this and paste those tissue paper inside it. Paste sticker and look, your homemade tissue paper soap is ready. We are going to make these cute mini boxes with lid. Let's make them. Take a paper and fold it like this. Fold it from its corners and you will get a shape like this. After that we are going to fold it from its diagonals. We are making crease here and then we are going to fold it finally and make the box like this and look, it is ready. After that we are going to make the lid of the box. Take another piece of paper and fold it from its diagonals like this. Again fold it from its corners. Now open it like this. Now fold it like this and tuck it inside and look, your lid is ready and look, it is done. Thank you so much for watching this video.